So we got EMINEM. Cold Wind Blows. And this is the first song off the Recovery album, man. Hold on. We done jumped into Recovery now, y'all. That last one, Relapse, Serial Killer Music, and this one is after he OD'd and whatnot. So let's check this one out. First song. Hold on, Cold Wind Blows.
Cause some things just don't change. It's better when they stay the same. Although the whole world knows your name. So on the biggest stage, they came to see you spit your game. Oh, it shouldn't be difficult to explain just why you came back again. You hate the fame,
okay.
Love the game, cold as ice. You remain.
Wait. Was people... Okay, so to my understanding, EMINEM was gone for like 3 years, right? Dealing with certain things. He said it shouldn't be this difficult. Bro, you need to... Yo, what is the lyrics? Yeah, but he said it shouldn't be difficult to explain why you came back. Was people like not liking that he came back? Bro, this dude is cold as hell, bro. Wait. What? This dude...
Biggest days the same, although the whole world knows your name. So on the biggest days, they came to see you spit your game. Oh, it shouldn't be difficult to explain just why you came back again. You hate the fame, love the game, cold as ice. You remain, fuck them all, tell them all, eat shit, here we go again.
Yo, I like how this started, bro. He telling everybody hold my nut. He said each yo.
Tell them all, eat shit.
What is he about to say in this? What is he about to say in this? Oh yo. Was it one of those? Ah, shit. Eminem's back again. What is he about to say? Man, I would have been excited for this dude to come back, bro. You know what I'm saying? He getting niggas mad with what? Like, come on, bro. Yeah, Eminem done dropped. Even though they know they still gonna listen to it. What he said this time. Woo!
You can get the dick, just call me the ball sack. I'm nuts, Michael Vick in this bitch, dog. Fall back, you mutts, fuck your worms. You never seen such a sick puppy, fucker the sick. Yo, I'm on my gun sick, mommy, and my nuts slick. Gobble them up, trick, yummy. Bitch, you don't fucking think I know that you suck dick. Yummy, you get your butt kicked, fuck all that love shit.
Whoa, did I miss something? Whoa, who's he saying that? Hold up, I know he said a name. Oh, who's he talking to? Yo, hold up. First off, the beat is hard as hell, bro. Bro, it got me about to break my neck in this bit. Y'all seen that?
Yo, I want my duck sick, mommy, and my nuts slick. Gobble them up, trick, yummy. Bitch, you don't fucking think I know that you suck dick. Yummy, you get your butt kicked. Fuck all that love shit, honey. Yeah, I laugh when I call you a slut. It's funny.
Wait, so was he talking about his mom?
Listen to the beat. Fuck the words. You don't listen to him anyway. Yeah, struck a nerve sucker. Motherfucker, might as well let my lips buckle like Elton John. Cause I'm just a mean cocksucker. This shit is on. Cause you wouldn't piss me off. Now I'm sick.
Where's my phone? Yo, hold up. We looking this up. I'm looking this Elton John. Hold up. British songwriter and pianist. British song known for flamboyant voice style. What the hell? I ain't gonna lie. Bro, look sus. Just saying. Hey, let's check this out, though. Is that why he said this right here?
You don't listen to him anyway. Yeah, struck a nerve sucker. Motherfucker, might as well let my lips buckle like Elton John. Cause I'm just a mean cocksucker. This shit is on. Cause you wouldn't piss me off. Now I'm sitting and pissing on everybody. Give a fuck if it's right or wrong. So pop the Buddha, light a bomb. But take a look Mariah. Next time I inspire you to write a song, come on.
Oh, he didn't clap back. He did clap back. Yo, Nick Cannon. Nick Cannon. Nick Cannon. Oh, so Eminem came back on timing. He came back for everybody. Woo! He said, fuck a Buddha. Next time, take a look at Mariah. Next time, I inspire you to write a song. Oh, yo, we gotta listen to that Nick Cannon this. Hold up.
Right or wrong, so fuck the Buddha, right or wrong. But take a look at Mariah. Next time I inspire you to write a song, come on.
Hey.
I'm as cold as a cold wind blows when it snows and it's 20 feet low. Ask me why, man, I just don't know.
Hey.
No. I'm as cold as the cold wind blows. Blows.
Fuck it, I'm a loose cannon. Bruce Banner's back in the booth. Y'all are sitting ducks. I'm the only goose standing. I set the world on fire. Piss on it, put it out. Stick my dick in the circle, but I'm not fucking around. Motherfucker, I saw you pussyfooting. I kick a bitch in the cunt till it makes.
Hey. God damn. Stick my thing in a circle, but I'm not fucking around. Oh my God.
Fucking around, motherfucker, I saw you pussyfooting. I kick a bitch in the cunt till it makes a queef and sounds like a fucking whoopee cushion. Who the fuck is you pushing? You must have mistook me for some sissy soft punk. Looking for some nookie or bosom. Go ahead, fucking hater, push me. I told you ain't no fucking way to shush me. Call me a faggot cause I hate a pussy. Man, the fuck up, sissy, cheese up. All your gardeners freeze up. Put your hoes down. Say to ease up, man, chill. Nah, I can't, goddammit, rap is a landfill. Drop the anvil. These are shoes that you can't fill. Shit, the day that happens, the world will stop spinning and
Yo, ain't no way. It was, bro, there's no way they didn't miss Eminem, bro. Oh my God. There's no way. Man, somebody come back like, bro, what? He had you hooked on the first song. Bro. Who?
just freeze up. Put your hoes down. Say to ease up, man, chill. Nah, I can't, goddammit, rap is a landfill. Drop the anvil. These are shoes that you can't
fail.
Shit, the
Ooh.
day that happens, the world will stop spinning and Michael J. Fox will come to a standstill. You're an earthquake. You're in your face cause you're fake. Ah, what the fuck? That hurt. Wait. Ah, what the fuck? I just got struck by lightning. Alright, gotta give up. Call it evil that men do. Lord, forgive me for
Yo! Whoa. Bro, about the natural causes. He said, I'll come to a stand so and MJ Fox. Did he have my whoa. Whoa. Hold up. Did he have beef with bro too? Did he have beef with this dude too? He said it was urine in his. Oh my God. Oh my God.
what the fuck? That hurt. Wait. Ah, what the fuck? I just got struck by lightning. Alright, then I quit. Gotta give up. Call it evil that men do. Lord, forgive me for what my pen do.
This is for your sins, I cleanse you. You can repent, but I warn you, if you continue, to hell I send you.
And just then the wind blew and I said,
Bro, this dude included a warning from God. And if God sounds like that, you better listen, my nigga. If God talked to you specific, bro, if you hear the voice of God, nigga, you're cooked. Cause if God don't send an angel and he comes himself, you're cooked. Bro, what? Yo,
when I said,
if you do something so bad.
I'm as cold as a cold wind blows when it snows and it's 20 feet low. Ask me why, man, I just don't know. No. I'm as cold as the cold wind blows. Blows.
That's catchy.
how long will I be this way? Shady until my dying day, till I hang up the mic and it's time for me to say, so long.
Yo, I will break it out to you, Eminem. You still like this at like 50-something years old. You still like this. Bro, it hit, bro. I gotta catch up on his music because I know it's crazy. Because I know he got better too. I know he got better. How long will I be this way? You've been like this the whole time. Yo.
Will I be this way? Shady until my dying day, till I hang up the mic and it's time for me to say so long. So then I drop the fucking bombs like I missed the pass when I went wrong. If you don't like it, you can kiss my ass in a link thong. Now sing along, slut this, slut that, learn the words of the song. Oh, bitches don't like that. Homie, I'll be nicer to women when Aquaman drowns and a human torch starts swimming. Man, I'm a cold soul, I roll solo, so.
When Aquaman drowns, the dude who can breathe underwater, he gonna be that. Ah, damn.
That on the words of the song. Oh, bitches don't like that. Homie, I'll be nicer to women when Aquaman drowns and a human torch starts swimming. Man, I'm a cold soul, I roll solo, so don't compare me to the mother bums over there. It's like apples to oranges, peaches to plums. Yeah, I'm bananas, pussy, cut off the grapes and grow a pear. But I swear, you try to diss me, I'll slaughter you. I put that on everything, like everyone does with auto-tune. The last thing you wanna do is have me spit out a rhyme and say I was writing this and I thought of you. So
I need to know who. Yo, I don't think anybody gonna be trying Eminem anymore. But I don't know who he. I know he did this kid. He does a couple people in this one, bro. He just so hey.
rhyme and say I was writing this and I thought of you. So I'm as cold as a cold wind blows when it snows and it's 20 feet low. Ask me why, man, I just don't know. No. I'm as cold as the cold wind blows, blows. I don't know what caused me to be this way. I don't know, but I'll probably be this way till my dying day. I don't know why I'm so cold, mean things I don't mean to say. I guess this is how you made me.
Shoot, considering. Oh my god.
So we got the.
Cause some things
I
just
clicked my own video. What was I about to say? I guess your experiences in your environment, you know what I'm saying, bring you to say certain things, think a certain way, move. You feel me? Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But that's Eminem, Cold Wind Blows. What a banger to start this album, man. What a banger. If you got any other songs y'all want me to react to on Recovery, we will be reacting to the whole thing most likely. But not in one video. So subscribe, I appreciate you. We on our way to 10K. We about 200 away. You know what I'm saying? The big 10. So subscribe. Any other songs you want me to react to? Comments. Videos too. And I love y'all. Peace out.